Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to cut parts of videos. So I'm going to show you how you can cut part of your videos. Maybe there's a particular video you are trying to edit and you want to remove unwanted section in the video. Here is a quick tip on how to do that. So if you want to do that, just make sure that you enable this quick preview mode. Enable it. Tap on it again. Enable it, and I want to cut out this unwanted section from this angle. So bring in my preview mode right to this angle where the unwanted section started. So just backspace. You can see this preview mode has highlighted the time for the duration of the cutout. So I'm going to bring the preview mode to the other side of the something. Then before I do that, I will try and split this video. I shall split it, then place it here, then split it again. I'm just going to delete it. That's how to cut out unwanted videos in Filmora. If you find it helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.